Hi everyone, it's Kathy, Bridges Stamping. I hope you all have been having fun with the new mini catalog and celebration. If you look on my blog, I've done a sample first order in case you've never ordered from Stampin' Up! Before and you want to start card making but don't know where to start. I'll link that in the description below. And we are just getting started with celebration. There's a lot of really great free goodies that you can get. So don't forget, don't let the opportunity pass you by. Today, we did Christmas all in July, so it's August. We're going to be starting with some Halloween. So this is part of the Cutest Halloween, this is the bundle, the stamp set and the punch. And what's nice is that the punch, it cuts out 3 different things. The ghost, the cat, and the pumpkin, which you can stamp, or you can cut out of the designer series paper, which is what the card we're going to do today, that's how I did it. So let me get this out of the way and let's start making some cards. Okay, so let's get my model out here. Sorry, I have everything off to the side. Okay, so I made the model and I decided I wasn't happy with it. So today we're gonna adjust some of the things I did. So first, we're gonna start with the Highland Heather cardstock cut, the 8.5 by 5.5, 8.25, I'm sorry, by 5.5 scored in the middle. Okay, so this is a piece of designer series paper cut 1/4 inch smaller, and what I did is I die cut 3 different circles out instead of just 1. Now there is a die in the annual catalog that will cut about 4 circles out at once. If you have the layering circle dies, if you have circle punches, you can pretty much use whatever you have to make these. Okay, I cut out with the punch, and I'll show you how to use the punch in a second, 1 of each of the 3 critters. And what I did is I also punched out a piece of cardstock and I glued it. So I gave a little bit of extra strength because the designer series paper on its own is a little bit floppy. So I just wanted to show you, you take the paper, you find the animal that you want to cut out, and you squeeze and punch. And there I've cut my little cat out, and I still have plenty of cats and pumpkins to cut out of this paper. Okay, so move that to the side. And then I've also already pre-stamped the inside. I like these candy corn images. I just colored the ends of my stamping blends. That's gonna go on the inside. And for this Hey Boo, all I did was the sentiments in the stamp set. I embossed it in white on black. I'm actually enjoying that technique lately. I've done that a couple of different times. I like how it looks. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by attaching this with dimensionals, okay? Because I wanted this to pop up, and that was my whole intention. But when I did this, what I did, it wasn't exactly what I wanted. So now we're gonna try to get what I want. So we're going to evenly put dimensionals around this card front. Now where it's a little bit skinnier over here, I'm just gonna take and cut like the edge piece off. Let me do that here. So all 4 corners and the 2 middle sides. Okay, and now I'm just gonna remove my backing. This is one of, actually this is really adorable set. There's a lot of really cute things. If you've seen on my Instagram, I posted some, actually I think on my Facebook I've done more, posted some things. Okay. And I realized as I did that there was something else I wanted to add that has wandered away from my table. So we are just gonna go with this for now. I will probably, oh here it is, okay. So this is actually a piece of the gold glimmer paper from Celebration that I colored with pumpkin pie stamp and blend. So we're gonna use that on the bottom, but I'm gonna have to put this on first. So give me a second to get everything back into place. Okay. All right, so we wanna center this so we have that 1/4 inch border all around. Okay, I'm just gonna glue this and put this here. I'm just gonna snip off a little bit of that. just to give it some interest on that front. I was gonna glue this first, but then again, I couldn't find it, so it doesn't matter. Easy peasy. Okay, so we put this here. It's a little bit of like color contrast. Okay, and now we're gonna pop up all our little animal figures. Well, there is a animal. The pumpkin is not an animal. The ghost is a ghost. So we're just gonna put them on dimensionals, and then we're gonna place them in our little windows. And let's see how that looks. The ghost is gonna go here. Pumpkin over here. And our little kitty cat right here. And we will stick Hey Boo right there, because it looks like everybody's saying Hey Boo. And that black, how it pops up. So we have some really interesting, these are the colors that are in the paper, the pumpkin pie, the Highland heather, and I believe that's old olive. And then all you have to do is glue the insert in. So I hope you have a second to check out my blog, check out my Instagram. Most of my cards that I make, I do end up posting there, even if they don't end up in YouTube. If you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you know, give me an email or a comment. Be happy to help you out. Do some online classes, personal classes, as long as you have a purchase with me. And there you go. Hey Boo, have a fabulous Halloween and stamp